You know, I love me some breakfast, and I don't care what time of day it is. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Breakfast for breakfast, lunch or dinner, late night snack. I don't care when you have it. Breakfast is amazing. Love breakfast. So today, we're going to make up some breakfast quesadillas on the Blackstone. Breakfast is one of those meals that's so versatile. You can do about anything with it, any kind of way. But breakfast quesadillas, I mean, these are perfect for meal prep. These are perfect for making a bunch. You can feed a whole lot of people with just a few ingredients. These are so simple. Just pick up, carry around, and just go. You can eat them going down the road. Not advising that. You can eat them riding a bike. However you want to eat these things, you can eat them that way, I'm sure. We got to get to cooking. So let's go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up. We have a little bit of prep to do, not a whole lot, so we're going to get that done while that Blackstone heats up. Then we're going to get to cooking. Now, the first thing I want to do is get us some bacon cut up. I think I'm going to use like half of this pack right here. So we'll save the rest of this for later. But there's two ways you can do this. You can go ahead and put this on here now on the griddle, you know, when it gets hot, or we can go ahead and do like I'm doing now. I like to go ahead and just cut this up. As you can see, this bacon is done warmed up a little bit sitting out here because it is hot out here this morning. But that's okay. We'll get it cut up. So there is the bacon all cut up and ready to cook up. Now, let's work on some eggs. Some eggs. We need to scramble up some eggs. So I'm going to get some eggs into a bowl here. Probably, I don't know, about 4 or 5 eggs maybe. Let's go 6. Let's just go 6 eggs. I don't know. It's hard for me to measure eggs sometimes when, you know, like this. But we'll just go with 6 and see how far that takes us. You never know. We have more if we need them. Milk. You can use heavy whipping cream, which I don't have. That's the reason I'm using milk. Just add a little splash of milk in there. And seasoning. Let's talk seasonings. Lumberjack seasoning by Blackstone. This is some amazing, amazing stuff right here, y'all. I absolutely love it. It gives eggs on the Blackstone, omelets, scrambled eggs, whatever kind of eggs you're making. An amazing, amazing taste. So let's whisk this together. I think that should do it right there. So, let's see. Onion. I already had some onions sliced up, so I just grabbed those. So if you need an onion or if you want an onion, I'm going to put onion in mine. I love a good grilled onion in my omelets and breakfast foods. Use it, but I went ahead and sliced some up. Let's see, what else do we have? Sausage. I have some sausage. Of course, there's no prep to that. Got some shredded cheese. We got some tortillas right here. Y'all, I think we're ready to start cooking. Let's go over and check on the griddle and let's get to cooking. Come on. Well, I'm seeing out white smoking. You know what that means. It means it's time to get some groceries done on this griddle. Let's start off with this bacon, y'all. Oh, yeah. The sizzle of the bacon. I don't know if there's a better sound out there. Let's go ahead and get this bacon stirred up and heated up and going. Now, notice it will clump together like this, but as it cooks, it'll come apart. And I do want to mention that I have the griddle on low right now because I do want this fat to render out. But like I said, as it cooks, it'll start coming apart. And I'm telling you right now, it already smells amazing out here. Now this bacon is just about fully cooked up like I want it. And you can see we got a lot of bacon grease, bacon fat, that liquid gold to work with. Let's cook up our sausage. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cook this whole tube because, well, that's just what I'm gonna do. Let's get the whole thing right here in the bacon. Because sausages don't take long at all to cook, y'all. Really, really don't. So we'll just get that in here. Gonna mix the bacon in with it, let it finish cooking up with that sausage. Yes, sir. You know this is gonna be good. So we'll just kind of chop this up. Let it cook. Now that we have it going, let's just come in here and mix things up just a little bit. Stir it up, chop it up, break it up. Do something to it. I'm gonna tell you right now, all that bacon and sausage, now that's how you do breakfast. And so now that our sausage and our bacon and all that is pretty much done, getting really close, let's dump our onions in there. Get all these in there. You can use diced onions if you want to. I just had these right here. I figured they'd work out pretty good. Don't want to overpower it with onions, so I didn't put a lot in there. But yeah, we'll get these going on in there and let them saute down in that bacon and sausage grease. And just really, really add a good flavor to everything. Yes, sir. This is going to be some good eating right here, showing up. And I'm telling you right now, the smell coming off the griddle, that sausage, that bacon, now this onion. Oh, man. It is smelling amazing out here right now. So all of this is done cooked down, kind of like I want it. So let's just slide everything over to one side here. Leave some grease here in the center. We want to work with that. But what I'm going to do is I have all three burners on low. So I'm going to cut this middle burner completely off because we're fixing to do some eggs. But to do the eggs, I need some butter to go in that grease there. We're going to do a few eggs here. We're going to try 2 of them here. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and cut this burner here off also so I can work on these 2 sides. This will stay on low. These 2 are off. Let's try that right there. Move our spatulas out the way. And we will grab up our egg mixture right here. Quick little whisk. And let's just dump some right here. Yeah, that'll, uh-oh. I dropped my whisk, y'all. That'll work right there. Kind of keep it more of a circular pattern. Let's dump some over here. And this is not quite a circular pattern. Ha ha ha. But that's okay. We're going to make it work. We're going to make it work. We'll dump some more. Because what we're going to do is quite simple. Quite easy. And if you see, that's why you want to go on low. You don't want your eggs to cook too quickly. And as you see, just enough to kind of form them. And that's what you want. Now, we're going to do a trick that I've done a few times. And that's go ahead and lay our burritos, our tortillas, down like that. And that's the reason we wanted it to kind of stay in a circle, see? And what's going to happen is, as this egg cooks, going to stick and we're going to flip it over and you have a quesadilla that's lined with egg. Now that's the way to do it. Now after about a minute or so, don't need long, just take it, flip it over. Look at there. That's what you want right there, see? Got that egg on that tortilla. Perfect. Now, the quesadilla without cheese? Not really. So I'm going to add a lot of cheese right here. Add some more right here. Now this is just Colby Jack. You got another kind you like to use? Use it. Some pepper jack would be good in this, I think. But I want a lot of cheese. Now we got that cheese down. Let's get some of our filling in here. And I don't know about you, but just like the cheese, I want a lot of filling. I want a full quesadilla. What y'all think about that? That look good? Or maybe some more. Once we get that done, we'll add some more cheese on this side. I should have got some more cheese, but that's okay. That's okay. We're going to work with what we got. And now we will just flip this over. Like that. Move this over. Stick it in my spatula. There we go. There we go. And flip this one over. Man, that's going to be a thick, thick quesadilla. Now, I am going to go ahead and turn my burners back on low so this side of this, we can toast things up. I'll get it out in a minute. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I just can't say it. Words are hard sometimes. Let's go ahead, light this side back up, and turn them on low. But just look at the size of these breakfast quesadillas right here. I mean, these things are thick. That's what you want, a good, thick, hearty breakfast. This is it right here. All right, let's see if we can give these monster quesadillas a flip. I mean, there's some weight to these things. Yep, get a little toast on there. Perfect. Clean this up a little bit. We might flip that back over and let toast a little more. I just don't want to burn them. That's the main thing. I just don't want to burn them. So if you have to flip a couple times to get the toast you want, that's perfectly fine. Toast them like you like them. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this again. Look at that nice little golden toast. Let this cook on that side for just a little bit longer. We're going to take these up. The time has come to take these monster quesadillas up. When I say monsters, I mean, look at the size of those, y'all. Let's go over here and check them out. Come on. Y'all, just look at how beautiful these things right here turned out. That beautiful golden toast on the tortillas, the sausage, the bacon, the eggs, the cheese, the onion, the grilled onion. You know it's going to add just extra flavor to it among all the other amazing flavor. Oh, and some fried cheese. Look at that. Can't forget the fried cheese. Y'all, I got to cut into these and try one out. Just got to. Now, them are some monster quesadillas. I mean, this is like stuffed. Now, what else would you add to this? Before I cut into it and try it out, would you add bell peppers, some mushrooms? What would you add to your breakfast quesadilla? I know what I'm going to do to mine right now is I'm going to cut one open. I think I'll just go ahead. Oh, yeah, got a little crunch to it. Yes, sir. Cut them into 4 pieces here. We'll pick up this end piece right here. I mean, look at that, y'all. It's stuffed. Look at that. Cheers, y'all. Oh, yeah. Right. I'd have that for breakfast every day. The sausage, the bacon, the cheese, the onion, that egg line tortilla is perfect. You know, the egg's not overcooked. It's like perfectly cooked on that tortilla and it's lined. So every bite you take is going to have some egg in it too with that seasoning, that lumberjack. On point. I'm telling you. This right here is amazing. I got another bite of it, y'all. And to me, the tortilla is toasted up perfectly. It's not over toasted. It's not burnt, as you can see on both sides. I mean, yeah, this is perfect. So make these, take pictures, tag me. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Pinterest. I'm on, obviously, YouTube. I'm pretty much anywhere. If you can find me, if you're on it, you probably find me there, TikTok included. So take pictures, make this, tag me. I would love to see your creations, your variations. Love to see what y'all do. If you enjoyed the video, thumbs up, comment, share it out. If you didn't enjoy it, thumbs down twice. Comment. Let me know why you didn't enjoy it. Sometimes y'all some haters out there. There's some haters. I love y'all though. I love every one of y'all, even the haters. But with that, I'm gonna take this inside. Feed the family, which sometimes hate me too. But hey, we'll see you next time.